Hi there, my name is Michelle Lorts, and I'm President and CEO of Lorts Manufacturing, and I wanted to welcome you today to the first edition of Wednesdays at Lorts. If you're here, you're probably already aware that we make some of the finest furniture in the country, and our finishes are second to none. In fact, we are the industry leader of wood stains. In these unprecedented times, we're aware that most industries in America have had to make some adjustments. For instance, if you're an interior designer or if you're involved in the procurement of furniture in any arena, you've probably not been to any furniture markets lately. But we're here to help. Wednesdays at Lorts will be a weekly insight to our products, our capabilities, our factory, and even some of our team members. You'll get to see some of our products, our finishes, and maybe even a machine or two without even having to leave your screen. As we move along, if there's anything that you'd like for us to cover or see, just drop us a line at any of our social media accounts and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching. See you next week.